Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're having an amazing day and thank you so much for being here. So if you haven't watched my previous video where I show you all the things that I'm packing in my carry-on, I'll leave a link up on the screen, so please go ahead and check that out before you watch this video. And for all you amazing guys who have already watched my previous video, welcome once again. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you all the things that I'm packing in my backpack, which is actually my tech bag, because all my tech stuff, my cameras, chargers, GoPro, drones, etc., everything is gonna be in my tech bag, and I plan to take my tech bag everywhere with me when I'm out on the go and skiing and going to other places, beaches, whatnot. So when I was looking for the perfect backpack to carry around with me with my tech stuff, my cameras, GoPro, drones, everything, I wanted a backpack which will not only help me organize all of my tech stuff properly, keep it safe and secure, but also be easy on my back, because I do get these bad backaches, and especially when I'm out and about, I'm hiking, I'm going to the beach, on the island, in the city, I don't want my back to be hurting and then it just ruins my vacation. So after looking for months and months, I think I finally landed on the perfect backpack, which not only helps me pack my tech gear and keeps it safe and secure and snug inside, but it's also very easy going on my back. So what I did is, for the past few days, I packed all the stuff that I'm going to take with me to Hawaii in my backpack, and just as I was going about the city and just places around my house, I took that backpack with me just to get a feel of it with all the stuff that I'm going to put in that bag. I just wanted to get a feel of how it feels on my back with all the weight that I will be putting in that backpack, and so far it's been amazing. It fits amazingly well on my back and I have had no issues so far, so I feel really comfortable with the bag that I am going to take with me. And like I said in my previous video, I'm only going to take 2 bags. I like to travel in a carry-on, so I don't like to check my bags and wait at the baggage claim. Like, why spend all of my time in a baggage claim where I could be spending that time on a beach, right? So without further ado, let's take a look at what all things I'm packing in my tech bag for my vacation to Hawaii. Alright, so this is the amazing backpack that I was talking about. This is the Low Pro Fastpack BP 250 AW2. I'm going to link this amazing bag down in the description box, so if you're interested, please go ahead and check that out. But let's go ahead and see what all I've packed in this amazing backpack. So like I mentioned before, I was looking for a bag which would not only be functional and easy to carry around with all of my tech stuff packed in it, but it would just be really nice and snug and comfortable on my back. So this bag actually has a nice, oops, I have some grass on there. So this bag actually has some nice mesh backing on the back, so it's really nice and breathable when it's on your back, and it doesn't get sweaty and uncomfortable when you're out and on the go while you're hiking out in the city or whatever. And it gives a lot of support to my back as well, so I never felt that this bag was extremely heavy and I couldn't carry it around wherever I went. In the first section right here, I have all of my cords. I got this amazing battery charger for my drone batteries, because if you guys out there own any drones, you guys know that they don't hold a lot of battery power and need to be constantly charged. And when I'm out and on the go around the island, I won't be coming back to my hotel room or whatever just to charge my batteries, right? So I got this amazing charger thing that plugs into your charging point in your car, and then you have 2 points right here. You can just plug them into your drone battery and you can charge them on the go, which I think is amazing. This is again a cord for my drone to transfer files. Then I have this one for the drone battery charging hub. This is for my remote control for the drone. This is actually a cord that sticks in the charger for my camera battery. And yeah, like I said, I do really need to organize this portion of the bag. So another thing that was really important to me while I was looking for a camera tech backpack is that it shouldn't be easy for anyone to take stuff away from my bag, because it has happened to me in the past. Yes, it was completely my fault, where I left my camera bag in my rental car and then our car was broken into and my DSLR camera was gone. So yeah, I am really paranoid about my stuff wherever I go. So I really wanted to get a backpack which would secure my gear, my camera and all my equipment in it. So I wanted a bag that would open from the back. Some low pro models have their openings from the back, and I did see one of their Low Pro, I think 350, which opened from the back, but it was too big for me and it didn't provide like extra storage. Like you could only store your gear and stuff like that in that backpack, so that wasn't really functional for me. So that is why I went with this model. And this doesn't open from the back. It does open from the front, but it isn't as easy as other like front opening bags would be. So it has the first layer of protection right here. You have to open these buckles and then you get to this portion. Now this portion also isn't where all of your tech is stored. So this is my like camera strap, and I have my memory card holder. I keep all my memory cards in here. This isn't like as straightforward as just opening my bag and taking my gear and stealing my gear out of it, right? The actual moneymaker, the actual gear actually opens with these chains. So when this is closed shut, even if someone tries to like open it, they wouldn't be successful in opening this completely and stealing my stuff. So once I open this has to go all the way down and up for this compartment to be open. Quick access is what they call this, so that for people who are professional photographers or people who want to take photos on the go and not like really lug their camera around in their hand, so you can actually just store your camera right here, and when you need it, open this part and take your camera out and use it. But I am not going to do that because, like I said, I am paranoid, because I feel like there'll be one day, one moment where I'll keep these chains right here and someone's going to open this and take my camera out. So I'm not going to do that. So let's take a look at how I like to organize this moneymaker area is what I like to call it. My flap opens like that, and you again have some storage in here. This bag actually provides tons of hidden storage and tons of things like that, which I really like. Now this area is completely customizable, and I actually customized it to my liking. So here is where my actual camera goes, my DSLR goes, and I'm actually currently shooting on that, so that's why it's out of here. But I store my DSLR in here with its 24mm lens attached on the body itself, and fits really nice, really snug. These are really nice, good quality dividers, and I feel really safe placing my camera in here without any additional cover or anything. And then I just like to place this divider on top of my camera body and just store this camera battery charger on top of that, just to provide an extra layer of separation between them. The first thing we have in here are my drone batteries, and these are lipo-safe bags. I like to store my batteries in here because I've read that when you're flying, your batteries can undergo like some weird chemical reaction in the air due to pressure and things like that. You just want your batteries to be safe at the end of the day, right? You don't want them to be catching fire or cause any kind of hazard while you're in the air. This lipo-safe bag stores 2 batteries. I have one in here, and I also like to store my camera battery in here. So I have 2 of these bags. Then in this big compartment, I have my Mavic Air in its own snug little safe case. I don't usually keep the battery on this, but because I took it flying yesterday, it's still attached. Then in this section, I have a case of my ND filters for my drone. I have my GoPro in here. This is the GoPro Hero 5 Black. Then in this snug corner, now again, I did customize this to just fit in my drone remote. That's why it's like nicely fit in the corner. Then here I have an adapter for my drone battery charging hub, and I have 2 other batteries for my drone sitting nicely in here. And this is a selfie stick for my GoPro, and I don't want to lose my stuff again, so I just keep my selfie stick here. And I've ordered another selfie stick for my phone, which is like a selfie stick tripod combo, which maybe I can just use to use my phone handheld. Just close this up and lock it down. And this is actually an all-weather bag, so you can use it for any weather, rain or shine. And they actually have provided you with like a rain cover for your bag, which nicely sits on the bottom of this bag, and it's actually connected to the bag itself, so you don't lose it anywhere. And this is great for people like me who keep losing stuff every single day. Now another reason why I wanted to get this bag is because I have a 14 and 15-inch laptop, and I wanted to be able to store them really nicely, snug, safe, secure. So this bag is awesome because it gives you this side pocket, which not only stores a 15-inch MacBook, but it also has an extra space for like a tablet or an iPad or things like that. And both these sit really well inside, and this is backed by this soft cushion cover, so it's really safe and protected. And I really love this bag because it provides you with a whole upper section where you can store things that are other than your gear. So for now, what I have in here is this mat for my drone. It's like a landing station sort of thing for my drone. If I don't have a place to put my drone, like we had a lot of snow in the past few months, so this was really handy in placing it anywhere on snow and then making my drone take off from there. Then I have, okay, this is my carry-on approved 1 quart size transparent bag. Now I am a first aid freak when it comes to taking all the first aid related stuff with me when I'm on the go. So I'm the person you want to come to if you want an aspirin or anything, any medicine related stuff. And by the way, all the stuff in here is from Dollar Tree, okay? Everything costs $1. So the first thing I have in here is this 7-day pill organizer, and in here I have all sorts of things and medicines that are loose, like these tablets, these aspirin tablets. I've just written on the back side with like a permanent marker thing, so I know what it is. Dayquil, NyQuil, some antacids, that. So this is really convenient, and I don't have to carry like huge cases of medicine with me. Then I have a pack of Vicks Vapor drops, and then I have this first aid kit. This has bandages and gauze pads and alcohol prep things. So this thing I think will be perfect when we're hiking, and if by any chance someone is like hurt or they fall down or they nick something, I have bandages available for situations like those. Then I have my drone battery charging hub, and the adapter for this lives on the front side of my bag. This is like a hub. Now I have the latest MacBook Pro. Apple decided to replace all the ports on there with USB-C ports, so that is why I needed this, because I need to use USB, SD card readers and things like that. So I bought this. This is not the greatest, but I just bought whatever had the most number of reviews and things like that on Amazon. I don't even move from my desk and my things get disconnected, so that's really annoying, but because I bought it, I use it. And then I have my external hard drive, and I still have a ton of storage in here. I have 1 pocket in here. So this is what I have in my tech backpack. So that is all I'm taking in my backpack, my tech bag, on my vacation to Hawaii. I know I'm an overpacker, but I like to look at it in this way. Like, imagine I'm at a beautiful beach watching the most gorgeous sunset, and I want to keep my phone in time-lapse mode and take pictures of that sunset on my DSLR. You know, I don't want to be stuck in a situation where I'm like, okay, now I can either take pictures of the sunset or just take a time-lapse. You know what I mean? I don't want to be stuck in a situation like that. So that is my explanation for being an overpacker. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you in some way, maybe. If it was, please don't forget to give this video a nice big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And while you're there, do hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video, which is every Friday. And on that note, like I always like to say, take good care of yourselves, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.